removal from faction.
That's your ass. Good deal.
Really, dude?
That's your ass. Good deal.
You're too pussy to face me like a man, so...
You're not a man, gang. I would spank you in the city.
That's why you out of the military right now. There, you're a clown, bro.
I don't even need to be in the military, bro. I got more cars, more bullets, more money, more coins, more all that, dude.
A straight clown. You're
Gang, I don't need to be in the army. I came to this bitch to kill you anyways.
Bro, you can't kill me if your life depended on me. Just know that.
I just did.